Here I have KARBONN A21. Let me show you how to perform here the hard reset operation by using the KARBONN settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use here the apps icon, then here find and select settings. Here I have settings. Then let's scroll down and choose here backup and reset. From the following options, choose factory data reset, and this will erase your Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps. And if you would like to erase internal storage, so clear music, pictures and other user data, let's use this button and tap reset phone. Tap erase everything and wait until the operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops out, so it means that the hard reset is done. Now you may start. Simply activate your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.